Alpha, status on the stabilization clamps.
Clamps engaged, pressure nominal. Proceeding with extraction sequence.
Recovery team, confirm cables secure.
Cable 1 secure.
Cable 2 secure. Proceed with lift.
This is Delta 1. We have the target acquired. It's solid gold.
Confirmed. Beginning extraction protocols immediately.
Robotic arm engaged. Stabilizing the load now.
Confirmed stabilization. Begin slow ascent.
Ascent initiated. Monitoring pressure. Crane 1, initiating vertical ascent.
Confirmed. Tension check on lines 3 and 4.
Reading stable. Maintain current trajectory. Drone stabilizing for macro shots of the coins.
Sector Delta scanned, moving to the next grid.
Hold position, Charlie. Adjust camera angle 5 degrees right. Pressure check confirmed. All levels nominal.
Sonar sweep complete. Crate integrity verified.
Submarine team, connection secure. Proceed with lifting protocol.
Control confirms Stage 1 completion.
Affirmative. Control. The treasure is secured and ready for transport.
Locking sequence complete on primary cargo.
Confirmed secure. Ready for transport.
Systems holding steady.
Sector 4 looks promising. Let's move.
Copy that. Moving to Sector 4.
Initial scan complete. The gold purity is consistent with the estimated period.
Uploading data to the historical registry now.
Hydraulics engaged. Tension cables activating.
Acknowledged. Maintaining formation. Lift initiated.
Injection sequence initiated on Sector Gamma. Flow rate stable. Gel spreading confirmed.
Pressure levels holding steady.
We secured the chest. Great work, team!
It's coming up now. We finally found it.
That concludes part 2 of the recovery operation. All systems green.
Excellent work, team. The treasure is secured.
Locking sequence complete. Frame secure.
Green indicators confirmed. Proceeding to next crate.
sonar lines are scanning the sector now. We have a confirmed visual on the target coordinates.
Acknowledged.
All teams, converge on the position lights.
Gadget reading is off the charts. Lights on the target now.
Confirmed visual. It's exactly where the sonar indicated. Treasure secured.
Safety protocol check initiated. Life support at 100%. Seal integrity confirmed.
All systems nominal. Deploying schematic now.
Initiate thrust sequence. Steady now.
Thrusting!
And stabilize. Alignment confirmed. Good work, team.
Heritage tag deployed. It's beautiful.
Confirmed. The discovery is officially preserved.
Confirmed contact. It's the vault.
Acknowledged. Deploying arm now. Extraction protocol initiated.
Hercules control. Initiate sequence gamma. Confirm clamps engaged. Clamps secured. Cables showing green stabilization. Lift commencing.
Zulu formation. Tether the asset. Execute evacuation protocol.
Tether secured. Ascending to surface coordinates.
Scanning grids intensifying. Data confirms multiple fragments at coordinates 5 to 9-2. Commencing extraction protocol.
Holographic overlay synchronized. Crown confirmed authentic. Confirmed. Vase match verified. Total estimated value confirmed.
Sonar sweep initiating. Accelerating data stream.
We have a confirmed target signature. The galleon is acquired.
Impact guard secured. Initiating final diagnostic check. Systems check complete. All indicators green. Crate is ready for ascent.
Platform secure. Crates aligned.
Affirmative. Systems green. Ready for ascent.
Oh my God. Look at the scale of this.
It's unbelievable. The greatest discovery in history.
We are so honored to be a part of this.
Crate secured. Beginning ascent protocols.
Copy that, Alpha Team. Submarine standing by.
Pressure levels spiking. Maintain ascent trajectory. Acknowledged.
Counteracting starboard drift caused by currents.
Current increasing on sector Gamma.
Engaging stabilizers, requesting full power override.
Override granted. Hold position steady.
The Eagle is lifting. We have visual on the hull. Ascent is nominal. Prepare for surface breach.
Hold steady on the bow line. Roger that. Holding steady. Ease the tension on the main hoist.
Main hoist engaging.
Scan finalizing on Container 4. Diagnostics complete.
Authentication confirmed. Contents secured.
We did it! Woo! We actually did it!
We are proud to officially declare this the greatest underwater discovery in modern history.